Why is it that some people do keto and lose weight effortlessly, while other people will do keto and it seems like they do it for such a long time and lose almost nothing? I was intrigued by the number of people online who talk about having done keto for extended periods of time and not achieving their goals. They either weren't able to lose weight, although they said they were doing the diet, or they were not able to keep doing the diet. So they weren't able to stick with it. And I was wondering if there might be some kind of learning curve, like, the way that there is in school. And that opened this idea of, how do people actually learn to do keto? Should we be taking a course of some sort, maybe online, or should we be going to see a dietitian, and like a dietitian that's trained in doing keto, and having them explain it to us? Or can we just figure it out on our own? Well, interestingly, what I think I figured out is that most people just wing it. They hear about the idea, they think they know what it is, and they just start doing a keto lifestyle. And unfortunately, a lot of them fail. People all over the internet have been opening businesses, starting YouTube channels, and even writing books without any formal training. But I want to ask the question of if that's really the whole story. Like, nobody talks about the 97.5% of YouTube channels that actually fail, or the fact that 90% of businesses that fail have owners who say that they didn't know the market, they didn't understand their customer base, they didn't have any clue how to do effective marketing, all things that they would have learned at business school, or maybe even if they had taken a course. Education is important. If you don't know what you're trying to achieve, how the heck can you possibly achieve it? If you don't know what foods to eat on keto, if you don't know what the purpose is of doing a keto diet, like what are we trying to achieve? If you don't know what problems to look for that tell you that you're not doing keto properly, if you have no clue how to do the diet, how can you succeed? In order to be successful on a keto diet, you need to know what to eat and what to expect, not just mentally, but physically, to know that you've done the right thing in your keto journey. You need to start the diet, obviously, but you actually need to have good information that you're following if you have any chance for success. Like, it's just like in school where you think you know what you're doing until you make some kind of mistake. Yeah, it's the same thing here. You're not going to know if you're making a mistake with keto until you do the wrong thing and you see the negative outcome in your weight. So either I've gained weight or I feel horrible, so my health is off the rails. So I'm going to throw this back to you guys. How did you learn to do keto? I'd love to know how much information, education you had or didn't have before you took on this journey. I'm really curious. Put it in the comments below and check out the video on the screen right here that's talking about how to do keto properly. Talk to you soon.